What's going on YouTube? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and Nick Jonas and Priyanka Chopra just got married. Congratulations to them. I'm going to skim through the whole tutorial, follow along to the end, then I'll break it down. I'm ready to go. Let's get started. All right, guys, so let's break down Nick Jonas's haircut. So basically, I started with a number 2 guard, then I went to a 2.5, and then a 3 and a 3.5 by raising the lever, and I went right into this area. Created not really a solid weight line, but you know, it looks like a weight line. It's still blended though, but I did leave this, I'd say about 1.5 inches right into this area, and really continuing with the severe part. Continued that all the way throughout the back. Did that on the other side as well. And then as we go around to this side, as you can see, all tapered in through here nicely. And I did leave the length throughout the top here, brush it over so I can really create a clean section in through here. And then I went back in with a number 1.5 and basically a 1, flip the guard up and used a 1.5 and just slightly scoop this out and through here to create a nice little taper right into this area throughout the nape and on the other side and through here. And then what I did is, keeping the severe parting in through here, I connected the back here going in through the top back, holding it, following the head shape, pulling it out to where it's about 2.5 inches in length right here, continuing that 2.5 inches all the way to about the very, very front, where the front I left about 3 to 3.5 inches long so you can kind of slick it back over. I blow dried it. The key part for the blow drying is keeping that side part in there and blow drying it over this way, all right? And blow drying this down so you can kind of really stamp in that severe parting and keep it very, very consistent. And then my favorite part, I use my product ICE, which is a pomade. It's actually a medium to strong hold pomade. I love ICE. It smells phenomenal, very masculine, very fresh scent. I worked it into the hair when it's dry. I never use pomades on wet hair whatsoever because the point of a pomade is to give you that shine. So you're only going to get the true benefits of when the hair is completely dry and then you're putting it in. That's coming from me as a stylist. That's my opinion. And there we have the finished result. I combed it into place and here we have it. Once again, Nick, congratulations on the wedding. Is that you, Nick? No. All right. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and click the bell so you're notified of when my videos go live 3 times a week. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.